In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB English problems under oral forms. We'll focus on rhymes, alright? So we have about 54 repeated questions on rhymes to practice with. So take a chilled water, stay closely, and stay with me to the very end of this video. Okay, so let's get started. The first question I have here says, for these questions, choose the option that rhymes with given word. So we have suit. Which word rhymes with suit here? We have option A. We have blit 3. We have bright. We have sweet. The one that rhymes suit rhymes with sweet. The right answer is option D. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. So it says, in this question, choose the option that rhymes with the given word. We have where. So field, rude, cruel, full, cool, full. The right answer is option C. Fuel rhymes with cool. Okay, cool is like when something is painful in English. So that's it for this question. Let's the question will be this one. So it says, choose the option that rhymes with the word cat. We have lash, pat, cat, pack. So the right answer is option B, which is parts. Okay, very important. This question is this one. It says, choose the one that rhymes with the word say. We have way, fright, twist, and so on. The right answer is option A, which is way. Okay, so the next question will be this one. So it says, choose the option that rhymes with the given word tax. We have ask, we have bag, boss, lax. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is lax. Okay, very important. This question, it says, choose the option that has rhymes with toy. So we have foil, turn, take. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A, which is toy. Next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with battle. So this one is obvious. Kettle, raffle, letter, beta. Right answer is option A, which is kettle. Next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with shear. We have ear, Sheila, Sherry, Kia. Right answer is option A, which is ear. Next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with boys. We have stays, moist, noise, ables. So the right answer is option C, which is noise. Okay, next question is this one. It says, choose the word that has the same rhyme with coffee. We have coffee, Murphy, feeder. We have toffee. The right answer is option D, which is toffee. Okay, next question, it says, choose the option that has rhyme with boys. So this is the question. Right answer is option B, which is noise. Next question, it says, choose the one that has rhyme with induce. We have deduce, refuse, profuse, abuse. Okay, the right answer to this question is option A, which is deduce. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the one that has the same one we say. So we have fried, twist, and way. This is the question. The right answer is option C, way. Next question, it says, the right that has the same word we share, spare, shed, shed, dear. Okay, so the right answer to this question is option D, which is dear. Okay, next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with the given word phone. We have gun, gun, fan, brand. The right answer is option A, which is gun. Okay, next question is this one. It says, choose the word that has the same rhyme with day. We have da, ball, flight, anime. The right answer is option A, which is da. Next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with joys. We have able, boys, sports, stay. The right answer is option B, which is boys. Next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with match. We have such, hash, batch, watch. The right answer is option C, which is batch. Next question, it says, choose the one that has the same rhyme with own. We have brand, gun, fan, phone. So the right answer is option D, which is phone. Okay, next question is this one. So it says, the rhyme that rhymes is new. We have done, to, kill, night. Is obvious. Right answer is option C, which is kill. Next question. It says the one that has the same Y with rice. We have case, rice, fried, mint. The right answer is option B, which is rice. Next question. It says the one that has the same rhyme with steer. We have spare, spear, square, snare. So the right answer to this question is option B, which is spear. Next question. It says the one that has the same one with Thor. You have turn, take, Thor, foil. The right answer is option D, which is foil. Okay, next question. It says the one that has the same one with great. We have great, we have boast, we have fret. This is great, right? We have fret, heat. The right answer is option C, which is fret. Okay, next question is this one. It says the one that has the same one with great. So we have quick, tweet, neat, great. The right answer is option D, great. Next question. It says choose the word that has the same one with noise. The right answer is option. Okay, option we have moist, stays, ables, boys. The right answer is option D, which is boys. Okay, next question. The one that has the same word ever. We have favor, heavier, never, fever. Right answer is option C, which is never. Next question is this one. It says the one that rhymes with great. We have great, heat. We have both freight. This is the place. Right answer is option D, freight. Next question. It says the one that has the same one with watch. We have march. None of the above. Botch. Catch. Right answer is option C, which is botch. Next question. It says the one that has the same one with shine. We have clean, fine, machine, lane. The right answer is option B, which is fine. Okay, so next question is this one. Choose the option that rhymes with the given word right. We have rim, list, with, right. So right answer to this question is option D, which is right. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the one that rhymes with keep. We have rip, dead, sit, trade. The right answer is option A, which is whip. Okay, next question. It says the one that had the same one with heart. We have tear, cut, hot, part. The right answer is option D, which is part. Next question. It says the one that had the same one with laugh. We have half, life, goes, lie. The right answer is option A, which is half. Next question. The one that has the same one with shine. We have machine, fine, lane, clean. This is the right answer is option B, which is fine. Next question. Says the one that has the same one with tax. So the right answer to this question is option. So the option we have lack, boss, ask, back. The right answer is option A. Okay, lacks has the same rhyme with tax. Okay, next question will be this one. It says the one that has the same rhyme with beating. We have brighter, writing, rotten, written. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is written. Okay, next question. It says the one that has the same rhyme with change. We have range, we have champion, chance, charm, list. The right answer is option A, which is range. Next question. It says the one that has the same rhyme with time. So we have climb, time, line, bind. The right answer is option B, which is time. Next question. Says the one that has the same one with seer. We have snare, spear, square, spare. Right answer is option B, which is spear. Next question. Says the one that has the same one with own. The right answer for the options we have phone, we have gun, brand, fan. The right answer is option A, phone. This is a repeated question. Okay, so the next repeated question will be this one. Says the one that has rhyme with whip. We have tweet, dead, keep, sit. So the right answer to this question is option. So whip has the same rhyme with keep, option C. Next question. So it says the one that has the same rhyme with ever. We have fever, never, heavier, flavor. Right answer is option B, never. Repeated question. Next question. It says the one that has the same rhyme with sweet. So we have suit, sweat, suit, try. Right answer is option C, which is suit. Okay, next question. says the one that has one with core, we have door, slate, wall, square. The right answer is option C, which is wall. Next question. Okay, the one that has one with trees, we have stress free, we have chess, we have breeze. So the right answer to this question is option D. Alright, so trees has the same one with breeze. Okay, next question will be this one. It says the one that has one with prism, we have rising, raising, motion, portion. So prism has the same line with reason, option B. Okay, next question is this one. It says the one that has one with teeth, we have breath, beneath, dead, threat. So teeth has the same line with B net. Okay, option B, not option A. This is breath, this is beneath. Okay, so the right answer is option B, beneath. Next question is this one. So it says the one that has one with sight, so we have plate, skate, side, shop, net. The right answer is option C, which is sight. Next question. It says the one that has one with new, we have to Q, night, dawn. The right answer is option B, which is Q. Okay, next question. It says pick out the option with different rhyme. Okay guys, we're almost done with this topic. So the one with a different one, we have ball, raw, go, for. The exception is option C, which is go. Okay, it's obvious. The next question will be this one. So it says choose the word that rhymes with pitch. We have list, bite, which, bleach. The right answer is option C, which is which, how the same line with pitch. Okay, which has the same line with pitch. Yeah, next question. It says choose the option that rhymes with great. We have great, we have treat, night, creek. The right answer is option A, which is great. This is a question. So guys, the last question for end this video is this one. It says choose the one with the given word share. We have spare, dear, shade, share. Right answer is option B. This is a question, dear. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving rhyme under oral forms in JAMB English. Practice with 54 repeated questions under rhyme. Alright, so hope there's something short in the video. If you were able to stay with me till the end of this video, congratulations. We just went through JAMB English library of questions under rhyme in oral forms. So there is 90 to 95% chances that the rhyme questions you see in your oral form of English will be picked from here. So once that happens for you, will struggle to figure out the right answer, having gotten used to the right answer here. So try and watch this video once more again so that you get used to these repeated questions. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video, tell me how you feel, what you learned for the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll sure to give you a response. Also ensure part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where we're getting premium information how to solve other JAMB technical English problems like this. Okay, so click on the screen and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.